If the water filter light is on your refrigerator, then it's time to change the filter. I'm going to show you how to do this on a GE or Kenmore refrigerator. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously a water filter. If you look in the description on this video, you can go ahead and get the link for that filter. This water filter is model WFC1201 and it will work with most GEs and Kenmore refrigerators. So here we have a diagram of how the filter works. You can see the unfiltered water comes in, gets filtered to the activated carbon, and then goes out again as filtered water. So let's replace this filter. Basically, to replace this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the filter and then turn it or twist it to the left, and there you heard it. It's gonna come out and it's gonna go in the same way. Notice that I do label my filters with a date so I know when I put them in there. The filters are a little heavy and they're going to have water, so go ahead and remove that, and you can see inside the filter how it works. That activated carbon, water comes in, hits the carbon, and comes out. This filter replaces the OEM models for the filters that you see here, and it will work on the GE and Kenmore. And the filter again is a waterfall filter, WFC1201. Comes with the instructions, and then after you replace this filter, it tells you that you should run the water for at least 6 to 8 minutes, which we will do in order to purge that filter. So the first thing you want to do on your filter is remove this plastic here at the top. You can't install it with that plastic, so make sure you remove it. I did label the filter again with a new date so I know when I installed this filter. It's recommended that you change these filters every 3 months, but I usually wait till 6 months. So go ahead and put this filter on there. You want to go ahead and twist it or turn it to the right like I did here. And what you're going to see is you want to start with the sticker facing the back, because now that I put it in there, you're going to see that the date is not there and you can't see that label. So I went ahead and removed it and fixed it. Now you can see the sticker or the label, and you can see the date as well. So again, to remove it, it's to the left, and then to put it back on and install it to the right, we're going to go ahead and purge that water from the filter as it's recommended per the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and purge a little bit of this water, and we'll go ahead and reset that filter light once I purge that water. And again, you just want to purge the water, a couple of times as recommended. Also, the recommendation for these filters is about 3 months, but I feel like it goes 6, maybe even 8 months with the same filter without an issue. I don't think that you need to replace it every 3 months. These filters are kind of expensive, to be honest, and you can go over 3 months without any issue. Now to reset the water filter light, I'm going to go ahead and press it, and I'm going to keep pressing it for 3 seconds, and then you'll see the light will blink and the light will go off, meaning that you have reset the filter light. So again, press the water filter light, hold it for 3 seconds, and the light will go off and you'll reset your filter. Again, I have all the product links in the description, and this will fit GE and Kenmore refrigerators. This is model WFC1201, and it's a replacement filter for your refrigerator. If you like this video and this video has been helpful, please consider subscribing, putting a like, or leaving a comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.